Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you another unboxing video. I'm just filming these back to back to back while the baby's asleep. Let's see how far we get. Today I have for you a new to me brand. I was at Hobby Lobby a few weeks ago and I found this Simply Dotz collection and I was very interested. And I found this adorable cat playing in paint or yarn or something, and I just couldn't pass it up. It is called Kitty Dotz. I think is the name of the kit. So as you can see, this was $13.99 retail at Hobby Lobby. However, it was one of the 40% off days. So I got it for I think like $8 or something like that. So definitely a super affordable brand. Here you go, the side of the box. I don't know, I like looking at boxes. Instructions on the back. Let's get into it. It is a full drill. Ugh. And I believe it's round. But it's made by the same company who does Diamond Dotz, because on the side of the box it says step up to Diamond Dotz or Diamond Dotz Advanced or something like that. So I think this is just like a more, I don't know if it's more like simple or more budget friendly, but definitely more budget friendly, but we'll see. We'll see. I'm so excited. Okay, so in here we've got a bag of drills. And it looks like the toolkit is in there. Ooh, this is nice. So they kind of do exactly what Diamond Art Club does now, where they have kitty dots on here, labeled. So if you store your drills and everything separately, and it even says it came from Hobby Lobby. So that's kind of nice. All right, let us, sorry about the crinkle, get our toolkit out of here. Ooh, this is so fun. Okay, I haven't opened like a new to me brand in so long, so this is like so fun. So you just get like a sack of toolkit and everything's purple. So you have a purple pen with like your tip, your metal tip. You've got a purple wax, love that. Purple heart-shaped wax, BT dubs. A grippy, which pink and purple, can't go wrong. The only thing that would make it better is if it was pastel, but anyways, and then a purple tray. And you do have some bags in there as well. Awesome. I'm not gonna go too into detail with the drills. They do look like good quality round drills. Here's kind of the color palette here. Whoop, whoop. Let me real quick see if there's anything worth noting. I don't see any special drills to note, but I'm so excited because look at all of these colors, dude. It looks like a rainbow. So excited. Yeah, I'm not seeing any ABs. Okay, so here is all of the colors. There are no ABs. Let me see here. We've got this kit. Comes in a dust cover. And it's definitely like the same canvas quality as Diamond Dotz. Okay, everybody, I am back. Everyone came in from outside for a lunch break, so I had to stop filming right as I was about to get to the canvas, but this is the canvas here. Super cute. We'll get in close. You can see that it's very clear, the symbols on here. I'm very excited about it. And there are 30 colors, no ABs. So there was no ABs when I was flipping through all of those colors with you guys. I was a little disappointed because I didn't read the fine print, but the design size is 25 by 35. I thought it was the fabric size of 33 by 43, but it's not. So this is what it looks like again. And I'm honestly, sorry, I'm filming in the main room, so you're gonna hear people coming and going, but I don't know what he was playing in that got him all colored up. Like, because these look like Easter eggs to me, but then like this looks like a ball of yarn, but on his fur, it looks like paint. So I don't really know what we're looking at here, but it's cute and I'm excited. So, and it was a new to me brand and I got very excited. I was like, sold, I've got to try it. So I will give it a shot and let you guys know how it goes. But yeah, that is it. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you're interested in wax or diamond painting videos, this is the channel for you. Please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time.